Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Oppo F9 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set face unlock in Oppo F9 smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Now select fingerprint, face and passcode. Now click on face and you have to give your pattern if you are set. Now click on enroll face and click continue. Keep your phone in front of you. Yes, face data is registered successfully. Now check whether the face data is working or not. Yes, it's working very fine. So in this way you can set face unlock in your Oppo F9 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.